welcome back. It's Jerry here with the Happy Hootie, here to save you time and money and the things that matter most to you, like things around your house, like this problem that you might have if you have Formica countertops. Chances are, if you haven't upgraded to granite yet, you probably will soon because you've been used to dealing with problems like this. What we have here is the end piece of a Formica countertop that has just decided to start smiling on us and say, hey, it's time to call a professional. But wait, this is a super easy fix, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. The only thing you're going to need is some of this super glue. Not just any super glue, this is the Loctite Gel Control Super Glue. And I will put a link down below for this in the description to buy some of this from Amazon. This stuff is amazing. We're going to put a few beads of this on here. Watch how quick this works. I've zoomed this in close here because I want to show you how quick this works. This stuff is no joke. This is this Loctite Super Glue. It is this Ultra Gel Control. You do not want to get this on your fingers. But what we're going to do is just going to go ahead and run a bead of this across the back side of this. And what this does is it will actually lock in place almost instantaneously as you push it on there. We'll just apply a little bit on there, and then we're just going to go ahead and touch it to it and let it go. That's it. Now when that dries, if there's any last little hairs or anything that come out over the top of this, we're going to rub that off. It's that easy. Thanks again for stopping by and visiting us here on the Happy Hootie. We hope that you found it helpful. Please go down and subscribe to our channel and like the video. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.